Hello guys, in this video I'd love to help you guys started with Java programming on Mac computers using IntelliJ, one of the most popular Java IDEs. In detail, I'm going to show you how to download IntelliJ installer for macOS and then set up IntelliJ Ultimate Edition version 2024.3.5 as of April 2025 and install Java 24 with OpenJDK right inside the IDE and create and run your first Java project using IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. So what is IntelliJ IDEA? It is an intelligent Java IDE developed by JetBrains company. It is smarter and more powerful than Eclipse and NetBeans, so IntelliJ IDEA is widely used by many programmers, developers around the world. And the IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition is a commercial edition. That means you need to pay to use this edition. It is used for Java web apps, Java enterprise, and frameworks development. And you can use IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate for free in 30 days. This is the evaluation period of IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. And this is the official homepage of IntelliJ IDEA, jetbrains.com/idea. Now let me show you how to download the installer of IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. So in your web browser, head to the official download page, homepage of IntelliJ at jetbrains.com/idea. Okay, this is the official page of IntelliJ IDEA, the IDE for professional development in Java and Kotlin programming languages. Click the download button. And this is the download for IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. For Mac computer, you can see there are two types of installers: DMG for Apple Silicon or Apple chip, and DMG Intel for Mac computers running on Intel chip. So you need to check your Mac computer. For example, on my computer Mac, on my Mac, check about this Mac, and you see it is running on Apple M1 chip. So that means I need to download the DMG installer for Apple Silicon, which is the default installer. Choose Apple Silicon. Okay, and click Save to start downloading the DMG installer for IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition. Okay, the download is complete, and don't run the installer right away because it's strongly recommended to verify the SHA-256 checksum of the downloaded file before running it, before opening it. So to verify the integrity of the installer file on macOS, open a new terminal window and change the directory to the downloads directory where the installer is stored. So I use the cd command cd downloads, and then you can see the downloaded IntelliJ IDEA installer here, version 2024.3.5. And to get the SHA-256 checksum of this file on Mac OS, you can use this command sha-sum-a256 and then the file name. Okay, and then you can see it prints the SHA-256 checksum of this file and compare this value against the one published on the download website here. You see. Okay, both are identical, both are the same. That means I can safely launch the installer file. So I open launch the installer file here. It is DMG file. Double click to launch the IntelliJ IDEA installer, and the installation is very simple. Just drag and drop IntelliJ IDEA to the applications folder on your Mac computer. drag and drop. Okay, and go to applications in Finder here, IntelliJ IDEA. Let me try again, drag and drop. Okay, it is copying IntelliJ IDEA to applications. Okay, done. And go to applications. Here, then you can see the IntelliJ application appears here, IntelliJ IDEA, you see. And to create shortcut on the on the dock here, you can right click and click make alias and change the name. For example, IntelliJ Automate. Okay, and then drag and drop the shortcut, the alias onto the dock like this. Then here you go. We have the shortcut icon on the dock, so you can quickly open IntelliJ IDEA on macOS. And then go to desktop and you need to eject IntelliJ IDEA here. Okay, so we have completely successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition on macOS. And to launch IntelliJ IDEA, we can open the Launchpad and click the IntelliJ IDEA application icon here, or click the shortcut on the dock here. Okay, let me click the shortcut on the dock to run IntelliJ IDEA for the first time after installation on macOS. Okay, the first time it asks, are you sure you want to open it? Click open. Here we go, IntelliJ IDEA free 30-day trial. So for the first time, I click the button free 30-day trial. If you have license, you can click the button activate license. Okay, let me click free 30-day trial and answer the question, why do you want to try IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate? I choose the first one. I am evaluating whether it will be useful for my daily tasks and click start trial. Okay, so IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate trial has now started. You can skip this screen and back to the IDE. Here we go, click skip import. Okay, this is a welcome to IntelliJ IDEA screen, and you can create a new Java project here. Click here to create a new simple Java project. And let me enter the project name, my first Java project, and the build system used default IntelliJ, and for Java version OpenJDK. Somehow it detects OpenJDK version 11, but I want to use OpenJDK for Java version 24. So here I click download Oracle OpenJDK 24 H64 already suggested in the list here, or you can click the download JDK button here for the Java version 24. So you see, after installing IntelliJ IDEA, and then you can install JDK right inside the IDE like this. Download JDK, you can choose the Java version, and vendor you can choose Oracle OpenJDK or Eclipse or Azure. Here I choose Oracle OpenJDK, which is a common option for programmers, and the installation directory. Okay, and click select, and it will download and install Oracle OpenJDK 24. Okay, click create button. Okay, it is processing, installing Oracle OpenJDK 24. Downloading in progress, and it will install OpenJDK, so we can use OpenJDK to compile and run our first Java project. And here you see the project view on the left side and the editor on the right side. This is the basic layout of IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, done installing OpenJDK version 24. Let me enter full screen mode. Exit full screen mode. Okay, and this is an example code. Hello and welcome, and it will print from 1 to 5. Okay, now let me run this program. Click the play button here. Run main. Okay, then you can see it prints hello and welcome. I equal 1, I equal 2, I equal 3, I equal 4, I equal 5. That is the result of this for loop. And then you can see it uses OpenJDK 24 Java command to run this Java program. Okay, and to view the version of IntelliJ IDEA, click here. Then you can see it is IntelliJ IDEA 2024.3.5 Ultimate Edition and licensed to child user. Subscription is active until May 14, 2025. So I have 30 days to try this IntelliJ IDEA edition before deciding to move forward with a paid version, paid plan. Okay, so that's my guide about setting up IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate Edition on macOS, also installing Java 24 with OpenJDK, so you can start developing Java applications on your Mac computers. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to support this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.